Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Bath and Body Works A Thousand Wishes Fine Fragrance. This perfume is liquid and it comes in a spray bottle. And just spray it on. Yes, just spray it on your body. It has a long lasting effect all day that you're smelling really good. It does have a wonderful fragrance. I do like smelling it. I don't wear it, but my wife wears it. And when she does, I recognize the smell and it smells really good. So I do like it when she wears it. So it's a good product, and I hope that this review helped.